Okay guys, this is Dan at the Lion's Tower, and if you've followed my streams recently, you'll be familiar with the game Ascendia that's in front of you at the moment. This is the production kind of game box that's getting shipped out at the moment. I believe if you're an Ascendia backer, this is either with you at the moment or will be with you shortly. I think they're due to be shipping from China imminently. So I actually sculpted the miniatures for these. Now there's no miniatures included in the default box game. The miniatures are a kind of an add-on box. So if you've ordered that, then everything in there is sculpted by myself. All the artwork has been done by the SBG team, so Martin Romero, Ryan Verhagen and James Churchill. The game itself is designed by a chap called Philip Kell, lovely bloke, a very good game designer, and obviously everything else is masterminded by the lovely Chris. Right, so I'm going to do an unboxing video for you and just pop it open, check the contents out and see what's what. So I've got my little scalpel blade. I'm just going to run it round the seams here so I don't damage anything. There we go. Nothing worse than getting that nice big gouge when you run it, run the blade diagonally across the surface. Okay, so just going to flip this over. I'm going to lift the box off, and you get to see for the first time what's in it with me. Oh, sticking. There we go. Okay, so first things first, a bit upside down. We've got a nice little art print showing the ancient guardian and the hero characters, plus the wolf and the saber-tooth. Now, interestingly, I've not actually done the wolf and the saber-tooth for the game, or the owl actually, as companions, but I think we're going to do them later on. So they make them as an expansion. Oh, and it's the same both sides. That's a nice little extra touch. Okay, game rules. So the rule book, how many pages we're looking at? 33 pages. Nice size font. Nice layout, lovely colours. Lovely artwork as always. Now, I've not played this myself yet. So I will be having a game or two with Jacob shortly. So what we'll do is we'll play the game, have a little go, and maybe do a little recorded playthrough. Right, so inside the box then, terrain components. Not terrain components, sorry, just components generally. I was looking at terrain at the time. 4 village tiles, 3 grassland tiles, 5 clayfield tiles, 6 forest tiles, 4 mountain tiles, 1 direction tile, winter foraging tokens, exploration tokens, renown tokens, cardboard trays. Not sure what they're for. That's what we're looking at the top here, I think. Maybe they're for putting the cards in. Oh yeah, they'll be for putting your item cards in. Item cards, material cards, snowfall cards, event cards, quest cards, personal abilities, reference cards, then rat swarm standees, bandit standees, boulder standees, guardian standees, bandit queen, elder guardian, troga, ice creeper. Oh, we haven't made that one yet. He's a new one for me. Large purple attribute markers, ice boulders, companions, action dice, enemy dice, character tokens, character standees, character boards, acrylic tokens, focus tokens, and the rulebook. Okay, so as you can see, the box is a thick box. Let's just have a little check and see. We're on about it's about 8 centimeters thick. So it's a fairly old chunky thing. The game box itself weighs quite a bit as well. It's quite a hefty box to pick up. And as you can see, it is absolutely heaving packed. So I'm just going to pop these things over to the side. I won't pop them all out yet. So we've got some nice double-sided, good quality punch board. And all of the same. This is the same style of punch board again. It's like 3mm thick, I think. No, 2mm thick, sorry. 2mm thick grey core punch board. That's all your tokens. Got this nice canvassy linen feel to the surface. Have they all got that? Yes, they have. They've all got this high quality. I don't know if you can see or not. If I bring it right up close, they've got this like almost canvas-like surface texture. Kind of makes it all feel a little bit more premium, I think. Artwork on them is absolutely beautiful. I'm not usually a fan of standees, but I would quite happily use the standees for this game. More beautiful artwork with the towns. And again, knowing Chris and knowing his team, all of this is 100% human content. There's no AI in here. This is all art assets drawn by real people. Miniatures all sculpted by a real person, i.e. me. All the miniature painting is legit. And all the layout and everything is top notch. Oh, now we're down into like a nice little orderly tray, which is nice to see actually. So we've got a little tray that will hold all of the tokens once they're all punched out. Cards can go into there. We've got decks of cards can go there and there. So we have the various decks here. We have our little acrylic marker tokens, little gemstones. They're like little pink diamonds. I'll have to hide these from Willow because she will be robbing them, I'm certain. Dice. Let's pop these out and have a little check. We've got a nice hand feel as well. There's the dice. A little bit of ASMR, dice shaky for you. I won't roll them and embarrass myself. I won't get all ones. We've got in here. Okay, so these are like your the quest cards, I think, if I remember right. Oh, actually, that might be. I think that's like a quick, like a turn reminder. Handy anyway. And we've got all the bases for the acrylic standees. Nice. Yeah, pleasantly surprised by the. Actually, that's good quality as well. That is. That's not like a. Can't really flip it upside down so you can see it. To be fair, but it's. I don't know if you can tell, but it's not your usual kind of, you know, low quality vacuum formed kind of, you know, splits in half after a couple of uses kind of moulded container. This is like a proper quality one. This is very pleasant surprise anyway. So yes, we get all of the boards sit up here, I think, isn't it? That'll be right. The boards will sit up there. All of the rest of the tokens and things can be down here. Everything's bagged up. Everything's got their own bags, so you can put it all away neat and tidy. Yeah, overall, content-wise, value for money, I think you're getting a 10 out of 10 here. Chris and the team, I am impressed. very, very, very well done. So yeah, if you haven't seen Ascendia, check it out. I'm sure it'll be hitting the stores soon. Don't know if you can get a late pledge in now, but I'm sure Chris has got extra copies on order, en route to be sending out to people. As a family game, I don't think anybody's going to regret a purchase of this game, from what I've seen of it. And again, the quality just screams kind of, you know, exceptional here, I think. And yeah, I haven't got much more to say about it. That is the unboxing. That is all the content. I will play a game with Jacob, and I'll give you some feedback through YouTube, through Facebook, and whatnot. And yeah, I'm quite looking forward to having a little game, actually. Okay, guys, don't forget, go check out Ascendia. It was on Gamefound. You possibly get in there for a late pledge, or go to SBG Editions store, and you might find it on there. Okay, guys, thanks again, and I'll catch you later. Take care.